Although today's recipe is perfect for tomorrow's St. Patrick's Day holiday, you'll make everyone grin with envy no matter when you decide to bake it. Howard shows us how to make his Irish cream cake in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Just in case you forgot, I want to remind you that tomorrow is St. Patrick's Day. That means tonight, before you go to bed, you might want to pick out something green to wear so you don't forget in the morning. Next, make sure your slow cooker is ready. So in the morning, you can just add the corned beef and cabbage, turn it on, and come supper time, dinner is ready. Last, but certainly not least, you may want to whip up our Irish cream cake, which is magically good. We start by baking a yellow cake mix, but rather than simply following the package instructions, we add some dry instant vanilla pudding and Irish cream to the mix. Then we pour it over some chopped pecans in a bundt pan. While this bakes, we'll make a quick throw together glaze to pour over it. When the cake comes out, we poke it a few times with a fork and pour the glaze on it so that it soaks in. Then we flip it out onto a platter and spoon more glaze on top. This magical cake is even better when it's shared with friends, so make sure you invite a few over. To get the recipe for our Irish cream cake, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found St. Patty's Day way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Moist, huh?
Very.
Don't get drunk.
It looks good. You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.